In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background on Google Slides. When people say remove the background in slides, they sometimes mean two different things. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on the actual slide background itself, the color or image that fills the entire slide behind your content. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides in your web browser. Once your file is open, click the specific slide you want to edit in the left-hand film strip. This tells Slides exactly which canvas you're changing, so you don't accidentally alter another slide. If you're experimenting, it can be helpful to duplicate a slide first, but you can always undo changes if needed. Next, go to the top menu and choose Slide, then click Change Background. This opens a small background window that controls the look of the full slide area. Think of it as the wallpaper for that slide. Everything else, like text boxes, shapes, and images, sits on top of it. Inside the background window, you have two main choices. If you want a solid or gradient fill, use the color drop-down. You can pick from theme colors for a consistent look or select a custom shade if you're matching a brand or mood. Choosing a simple, high-contrast color is often best for readability, especially when you present on different screens. If your slide currently uses a background image or you want to swap one in or out, click the image option. From here, you can replace the image with a new one or remove it so the slide goes back to a plain color. Replacing is great if your current background is too busy or dim. Removing is the cleanest option if you prefer a minimalist look. Keep in mind that background images are locked behind everything else, so this approach is ideal when you want a full bleed photo without worrying about accidentally moving it. After you've made your choice, click Done to confirm. You'll see the change immediately on the slide. If it isn't what you expected, just reopen the background window and pick a different color or remove the image again. You can also use Undo on your keyboard to roll back the change. That's it. By opening your presentation, selecting the slide, navigating to Slide and Change Background, choosing either a color or an image action, and clicking Done, you've removed or changed the full slide background cleanly and confidently. Keep things legible, aim for strong contrast, and you'll have slides that look polished on any screen.